Hello, Matt here, and today it's finally time to lower the car. I will be using these Eibach Pro kit springs, lowering about 2 centimeters in the front and 3 centimeters in the back. So let's get to work.
They say I was born of metal. They say you were born of a mother.
So here's what we need to do. First off, this plastic aero cover or whatever it is needs to go off. Then we have one screw here for the shock absorber and one screw here for the sway arm. Once they are released, the sway arm should go down and we can take out the spring. I think these are 8mm nuts. So let's try and do it. While the plastic cover is off, there are 4 10mm nuts in each of these holes, and here are the nuts, and here's the wonderful rock that fell out of it. No more free rides for you, baby. Now, as I said, we need to undo these 2 bolts. So, yeah, it would be a lot easier if I had my impact gun, but I don't. It decided to die on me 2 days ago, so I guess we'll do it by hand. So this one is 18. And does it spin? Yes, it does. The other side was E20. Now for the next one. This here is a standard bolt, but a bit bigger. I think it's a 2021. Let's see. And of course, unfortunately, I have only one of these. So let's see what will happen. Now, before taking the bolt out completely, see, it's still not out, I will place the jack under here. And raise it a bit. I assume the spring will be under the tension, so once I pull the bolt out, the sway arm should be lowered carefully. So let's go. Now I should have probably taken the shock bolt out first. And now, if you lower it, it should just fall out. Like this. And voila! Here we have the original one. So this is the original one next to Eibach one. What we'll do now is remove the heads, place them here. And the lower one. Here, like this, and the spring is ready to go back in. Okay, there are two ways the locating pin can go, and it would have been great if I checked out this locating pin. It would have been great if I checked out where it should go, but I didn't. So let's try to find out on the other side. And here we are. Now we just need to put it all back. So the shock bolt goes from front to back. Like this. I'll put the nut on. Part of centering this in. And this bolt goes from this side in like this. The beauty of BMW and its infinite wisdom, they made this bolt straight. If it had a rounded piece like that, it would be pretty easy to put it back. But no, why make it easy when you can make it hard? So I'll show you what I'm talking about in a moment. So again, we need to lift this to get it back. It needs to be seated properly. Now comes the fun part. You need to use the screwdriver to check if the holes are aligned. And hopefully the bolt will just go through. And of course it won't, because it isn't perfectly aligned here. And as I said, if it was a rounded bolt with a point, like the one holding the shock, you could just push it through and center it. But no, now we have to play around a little bit. And voila! So you put the socket onto the bolt and wiggle it a bit. You use this as a lever and it's there. Now this bolt goes from the front to the back. And see, much easier. And now, before tightening it all up, we should put the suspension in its, let's say, natural position. It would be the best if you could do it when it's set on the ground, but I can't, I won't have the space, so we'll do it like this. Let's put plastic aero cover or whatever it is back on and mount the wheels back. So here we are. 2 stock springs are off the car. 2 Eibach springs, even though you can't really see them, are on the car. And to be honest, it doesn't look lowered at all. I probably just need to settle a bit. I need to take it for a ride and it should be okay. This is it for today. It's too hot to continue the work, so I'll put the fronts on tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.